In this video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can restore default font settings on Windows 11. So let's get started. Go ahead in the Windows search bar, type Control Panel. Click on Control Panel under the best match. View this into small icons and click on this option, Fonts. Then under Related Settings, click on that and click Adjust Clear Type Text. Make sure to check this option, Turn on Clear Type. Then you have to click on Next. Click on Next. Choose the text that is better. Okay, then click on Next, or that is very clear. Click on Next. Click on Next. Click on Next. And click on Finish. And that's it. So I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel. Thank you for watching.